Hi, I'm Mike Thompson. We've all been cooped up for a while, haven't we? Well, I've been doing a lot of house projects, and this is one of them. We've been doing some decorating. So here I've made Alex a slat wall that hangs on his wall. We've got several different bins and some more coming. If you've never made a slat wall before, it's simply a 45-degree cut here with a 45-degree slat here so that they interlock when you hang them like so. We've got a few more bins on the way, and I assume they'll go up there, but we're going to stick with this general color scheme. And so here then, we've got a piece of pegboard that hangs on the slat wall so that he has even more versatility. He can do whatever he wants. And now of course the pegboard has these 1/4-inch spacers running down the back here so that it still has room for the hooks to go behind the pegboard and hook on. We haven't put any on there yet because he's not quite sure what he wants. But then on order, I've got a magnetic bar strip that's also going to go on here to hold some tools and things. That'll be really handy as well. But that's what we did here. Let's go into Ollie's room and show you what I did there. And here in Ollie's room then, we did something similar, except with slat wall, we have pegboard painted blue. And these baskets that we got at Home Depot. I used the cheapest molding I could find. I think it was 60 or 80 cents a foot. It was pretty darn cheap. We've got about 7 feet of it around, I think. And Christy's very happy with it. It looks good, it's functional, so I'm happy with it. And it wasn't too hard to do at all. This is something you can, take inspiration from and do something similar yourself, or you can just copy this straight up and do it. It's super simple. You can definitely do it yourself. Just don't be afraid to try. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm Mike Thompson, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it.